Hi everyone, this is Jonathan Gorman from iCreative. To make sure that you have an incredibly smooth and satisfying experience with your repair, I wanted to take a moment to make a short video that explains how our service works and to make sure that you have everything you need before you come in. We want to make sure that you don't waste a trip and that you won't need to spend too much time with us during your check-in. We want things to be fast and effortless so that you can get back to enjoying your beautiful Apple device. There are a few updates we wanted to give you before you came in. Number one, iPads are never repaired in-house either by Apple or here at iCreative. They are always mailed back to Apple and a new device is shipped back. The cost for this depends on the status of the AppleCare warranty your product currently has. We can usually turn around your iPad repair in just a few short days from when you dropped it off with us. Number two, we try to stock as many iPhone displays here at iCreative as we possibly can, but sometimes we may have many people dropping off the same iPhone as yours in the same day. Though we are usually prepared to accommodate your broken screen, we will always let you know what our turnaround time is so that you can have the best experience. Number three, you do not need to bring in your laptop power supply. You will also take off your iPhone case, and you don't need to bring us your keyboard or your mouse. All we need is the device itself, so don't bother schlepping that stuff down to us. You can leave it at home right where it is. Lastly, due to the coronavirus, some parts might experience a delay in shipment, and we may not know right away. During this difficult time, we will let you know right away if there will be a delay. So far, we have enjoyed a business-as-usual turnaround on most shipments of parts. I really hope you will take a moment to watch the second video below, where Apple outlines the 3 essential things you will need to complete prior to coming with your device. They are knowing your Apple ID username and password before coming in. You can make sure that you have the right username and password by signing in at appleid.apple.com, or resetting your credentials at iforgot.apple.com, or by calling Apple directly at 1-800-275-2273. Apple also explains how to update your device and also how to make sure it's backed up. If you struggle with any of these things, iCreative is happy to have one of our expert certified engineers sit down with you to help you with one of our 15, 30-minute, or 1-hour consulting sessions. We appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos so that we can more effectively serve you today and always. From all of us here at iCreative, thanks so much and have a great day.